So, Suchitra, today we will learn,
Yeah.
as we said, that we'll go in some advanced level sentences we can use in our day-to-day life. As if I said, if I say, जैसे आपको मन करे वैसा करना. So that sentence, how we can frame in English. So we cannot say as you wish. That is very simple. So we have to learn in advanced level. So for this, जैसे मन आपका करे. For that we can use please yourself. Please yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, like for example, um, I'll say, Suchitra, do join. Do join. You're asking me, ma'am, how is the maths lecture going on? Do I need to join it? So I said, I will say, yes, it's nice, but please yourself. It's your wish. If you want, you can do it. जैसा आपका मन करे. Okay.
Got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Now, next one is like, कोई आपका घर पे guest आ रहा है. Someone is coming. So, what we say? आइए, खाना खाने बैठिए. Like that. So, this is in Hindi version. When we say it in our English language, we cannot say, come, let's have food. That's very common thing. It's very common we say, let's have food. So, for that, we can say, help yourself.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay? So, if you are, even if you are sharing your tiffin or sharing your lunch, come, help yourself.
Okay.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So next is you're writing down, right? You can see the board, right? I'm not sure.
Yeah. So shall I write down?
Yeah, you
Okay.
write down, no problem.
Okay. But can you write the same as similar number statement?
Okay,
word also?
I have written this down.
Yourself
I
is
have
equal
written
to.
this down in my language. I mean, for my understanding. Wait, Mahindra's admit. Admit Mahindra. One minute, Suchitra. One more is getting added.
Yeah.
Hi, Mahindra.
Mahindra.
Yeah.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening. Okay, so we are 12 minutes late to the class. Okay, fine. So today, Mahindra, we will learn some basic English sentences, how you can say. If you want to say someone, you can join that class. It's your wish. If you want to say someone, it's your wish. It's your call. You can say it as please yourself. Okay, I'm just repeating it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you can, if your friends are telling, Mahindra, is that class good? So you can say, yeah, that class is good, but please yourself. That means you can take your call or it's your wish.
Okay.
Okay, you can take this down. Okay, you write the meaning for your understanding and write this. Please yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
What's the second word? Help yourself.
Help yourself. This is for welcoming someone to have food or dinner in your home, at your home. Okay, Mahindra, the next one is when you're welcoming someone to your home for
Yes,
the
ma'am.
dinner or something like that. So for that, we cannot come, have food, come, sit, have food. Okay, you can say that is a common thing, but
Yes,
when
ma'am.
you are learning a step ahead, you can say help yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can
Yes,
say
ma'am.
come, help yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, write it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Can I go ahead?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. The second one, I mean the third one, this is the first, second, and third one is when you're talking to someone on call and there is no network. So we stuck saying that there is no network, there is no signal here. Right? We say that. So for that, you can use signal is weak. Okay? Signal
Yes, ma'am.
is weak here or any
Yes, ma'am.
place. Any place you want to say signal is weak in Kerala normally. Anything you can use. Okay, for signal. If you are saying
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Vodafone network as usual, it's very down. So you can say signal is weak for that.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, guys?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll rub this out because it's down. You won't be able to see. You can see, right? Okay. So the next one would be we say that I hope you like we say I hope you have a better life, or I hope you get well soon, something like that. I'm just giving an example. For I hope, we can use I hope, but for better version we can use please God. Okay, for that we can use please God, your business will grow,
Okay.
please God. I mean, if I am saying I am teaching you English, so I want to say I hope you are understanding, or I hope you learn everything. आशा करता हूँ, we say that, आशा करता हूँ कि आपका दिन शुभ रहे, like that.
Yes, ma'am.
I wish that your day go well. For that we use please God. Don't go. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that. We don't go with the words exact meaning. Please God. Please God. We are not asking anything to God, or we are not requesting anything to God. So don't go with the exact meaning. Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Understood? So please God,
Yes, ma'am.
your
Yeah.
business will grow in leap and bounds. Leap and bounds means let your business grow very well. For that we use, if you want to grow your business, if you want to say that your business is growing well. So you said, please God, your business will grow in leaps and bounds. Okay? Understood?
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I'll drop this. Okay, the next one is if you're hardworking, whole day you're hardworking, every day and night you're hardworking. So we have to phrase it. Okay. For example, we say din raat ka mehnat. Mahindra, are you understanding? If I'm telling a Hindi words,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, when we say din raat mehnat karte hai log, we say that. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. For that, hi Alam Naveen.
Hi, ma'am.
So for that, din raat mehnat karna, yeah, we
Sorry
say
for
that.
being
Yes, Alam Naveen.
late, ma'am.
It's okay. You missed 3-4 parts. You have to definitely rewind this lecture. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For this day and now night, I mean, you're telling I am working hard, I'm studying hard. For that, you work day in, day out, or you study day in, day out. For if you are telling that I got 98%, so you can say I study day in, day out. Okay. Okay, guys.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So one more for hard work. There is one more word. Do elbow grease. Okay. Do elbow grease. Do elbow grease means you are working very, very hard. So for using the word very, very hard, you can use do elbow grease. Why are you guys not responding? What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, right. Yeah, writing down.
Okay, fine. Hope you understood what does do elbow grease means. Means you're
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
struggling a lot, you're doing hard work. For that we can use do elbow grease.
Okay,
Our
ma'am.
government is doing elbow grease to get over this pandemic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so I want to know, Mahindra, if I'm asking you what you will say for you want to cut your hair. Okay, you want to cut your hair.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I'm asking where are you going?
ma'am.
So what you will say to me?
I'm going to cutting.
Yeah. Okay. This is the common thing we say, but when we are saying it in a proper manner, we have to say
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am having my hair cut.
Cut.
Yeah. I am
Yes,
having
ma'am.
my haircut, or I am going to have my haircut.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So understood this much?
Yeah, yeah.
So how,
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, when we are, this is just a step ahead. We can use these sentences when we are having some conversation. Okay. For, uh, for, okay, for one more question. Naveen,
Yes, ma'am.
when,
Yes, ma'am.
when I'm, sorry. Yes, Naveen, what you were telling?
No, ma'am, nothing, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm asking you to charge my phone. Okay, can you please keep, no, you are requesting me to keep your phone on charge. So how you will ask me?
Can you please keep
Can you please?
charge my phone?
Okay. Okay, that is the normal thing. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so we can say, can you please plug in the charger? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you want to take out the charger, for that what you will tell? Opposite of plug in?
Plug out.
Simple. So you can use plug in or
Plug out.
plug out. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. There is one more meaning with plug. If you want to say that my dress is not good or my face is not good, so you can say, ma'am, your face is not plugged. I mean, it's not good. For that, we can say plug means it's ugly. There is another word meaning. Plug means ugly. You cannot say someone directly, your face looks ugly. Oh, 1 minute, I'm sorry. There is one more guy adding. Okay, so for this ugly also you can use this word plug. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Pawan is adding. Pawan is getting. It's done. Hi, Pawan.
Hi, ma'am.
You missed many part. I mean, it's almost half of the class. Fine. Done with this, everyone. Those who
Yes,
have
ma'am.
attended, Pawan, you have to check this video. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Please do check because it's very important. I had many sentences I have taught already.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, so next one, when you're telling to me, ma'am, this answer is not right. You are telling wrong. So I have to think, right? So I'm telling like let me think a while. So for that I can say ponder. So if I want to say that I'm thinking, I can say I'm pondering. Wait. Okay, let's ponder. Pondering. You can say pondering. Alternate
ma'am.
word for thinking. It's pondering.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. If someone is asking you money and you don't have money, so what you will say? Suchitra, I'm asking you 10,000 rupees. So what you will say to me?
I don't have 10,000 rupees.
I don't have.
10,000 rupees.
Okay.
Or I don't have money right now.
Okay. There is a very catchy word for that. You can nicely block that person. That is food hand to mouth. Food hand to mouth. You can say, ma'am, I don't have that much money as I have food hand to mouth. Because food hand to mouth means I have this much only. I don't have extra. This is for myself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, food hand to mouth. Food hand to mouth.
Okay.
Got it,
Okay.
Suchitra? Got it, Naveen? Praveen?
Yeah.
Sorry,
Yes, ma'am.
Pawan?
Yes, ma'am.
It's like a phrase.
Yeah. So you can say, ma'am, I don't have money as I have food hand to mouth. I have this much only. I don't have any extra. So I can't afford to give you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. So I will write one phrase. You tell me what you understand out of this. Okay.
Okay.
Can someone tell me what is this?
Hand to hand struggle. Struggle, no? STRU. Yeah.
Yeah, struggle. Did I write spelling right now? Right.
It means struggling a lot.
Okay. Okay. Mahendra?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what do you understand with hand to hand struggle?
When we not have food or anything, we will struggle for that, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, Alam Naveen, what do you understand with this hand-to-hand struggle?
Struggling so hard,
Fine.
working so hard.
Fine. Pawan, what do you understand?
If you have no, if you don't have money, if you can ask any friends, no, that time you
Hand-to-hand struggle.
Struggling.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So I'll tell one sentence. Then you will understand what is the meaning of it. I don't have to explain for that.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ram had hand-to-hand struggle with Ravan. Ram had
Yes, ma'am.
hand-to-hand struggle with Ravan. Now you guys got the meaning?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ram had hand-to-hand struggle with Ravan.
Ram fighted with Ravan.
Fought, not fighted. Fought.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood the meaning? Now I don't have to explain about that much. There
Yes,
is
ma'am.
one more word, similar to this. Let me see the spelling correctly. Yeah. SCRIMMAGE. Scrimmage. Means the same. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you all learned? Please yourself, help yourself. Signal is weak, someone has left the class.
Please God.
Please God is not, we are not requesting anything to God, we are not praying to God, okay? Okay, Suchitra, got it now?
Yeah.
Yeah. This was something different we heard. I mean, many things, what we read is not what does that really mean.
Yeah. It's quite different, huh?
Yeah. It was quite different. Many things were like very new to everyone.
Yeah.
So we
But
had,
normally people are using this. Normally people, I didn't heard to use this.
I have heard about do elbow grease. I have heard help yourself we use normally. I mean, I have seen that people using it. I don't say. I just say come and sit, eat,
Yeah.
go.
Yeah, that it is a very simple language, no?
Yeah, casually I say that.
Yeah.
And please yourself. So never I used to use
Never,
it. It's
yeah.
your wish. That's a common thing because we use it day to day life. So we use that much only. And I'll tell your work day in day out is yes office में तो यही सुनाई देता है. And I'm having my haircut. Yeah, even I say that I'm having my haircut. I think in that logic way. Others and all plug in plug out is yes. Pondering and all I also don't use. I mean that is a day to day. We don't use that, but we have to start using this everything. Then only our vocabulary will improve. Basically.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, when we say if I can't hear you, so I say sorry. Can you? So if Suchitra is telling something to me, I can't hear, so I say sorry. So you repeat it. So for that you can say come again, pardon. Can you please repeat?
Yeah,
Try
right.
to not
I heard
speed it up.
pardon. Yeah, pardon is a quite.
That is quite common, but in
yeah.
some places, like I think in Australia somewhere, I don't remember exactly. They don't understand pardon. In
Okay.
US they understand, but I exactly don't remember. Somewhere in Europe, somewhere it is not understood. They don't understand pardon. You have to say come again. Then please can you repeat? I'm sorry I didn't get you. Like that you can use.
Yeah, these are very common.
Yeah. Everyone can understand because other words, some words people don't understand. Even the common.
Yeah.
Don't understand. And Then what? Then what? Then what? Yeah, this much for today. We're supposed to have a group discussion. There is no group. What we will discuss?
Reading session.
Reading session. Yeah, we'll have reading session then. One minute. Let me check my. We have to continue with that book, right? We had that book reading.
Yes, ma'am.
Madam, what is your blog's name?
It's classicgravy.com.
Okay.
Have you guys started reading book? Anything article? As I said yesterday.
Yeah, I'm daily reading loud.
Good. Now I don't remember where we stopped yesterday.
No, you can give any new one. Yeah, new blog also okay, new book also okay.
New one. Let me check 1 minute. Give me a minute. Journey of a running tree. One minute, huh? Today we'll read any story books. Is that fine? Fable story book. I have that.
Yeah, fine.
Okay. Yeah, anyone can start. Anyone can start. Pawan,
Okay, so
you
shall
can
I
start.
start?
Suchitra, you can start.
Okay. The brass pot and the clay pot. Once upon a time, a brass pot and the clay pot were left by the local villagers on the banks of a river.
Okay,
Soon there was a
Suchitra,
yeah.
villagers R should be bit silent. Don't pressure on R. Villagers.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
villagers.
Yeah. Okay. Soon there was a flash flood in the river. The
Flood.
accident
Flash
river.
flood.
Flash flood in the river. They accidentally got sucked into the strong current and the powerful waves dragged them into the river. The two pots were now floating with the flow of the river and were at the mercy of the waves. The clay pot was very nervous and started crying. The brass pot was worried about him. He said, "Don't be scared. Just stay with me and let's face this together." Even though the brass pot was being kind, the clay pot decided to drift away from him. So drift away
From
from him. Yeah, brass pot could not understand why.
Okay, Mahindra, continue.
To this, the clay pot replied, "Please excuse me for drifting away from you.
Wait. Where are you reading from? The brass pot
The
expressed his
brass pot
concern.
expressed his concern. You
Expressed.
seem to be
Expressed.
expressed.
Don't
Oh,
pressure
The
on
brass
this
pot
expressed.
Full on
Just
ka?
Yes,
expressed.
ma'am.
Full on to
Expressed. The brass pot expressed his concern. You seem to be extremely scared and I want to help you feel better.
Hmm.
Why are you drifting away from me?
Hmm.
Don't don't you want my help and support?
Hmm.
To this, the clay pot replied, please excuse me for drifting away from you. I know you are being very kind to me and
Hmm.
I appreciate it.
Hmm.
But your brass pot made out of metal.
Hmm.
That makes you very strong.
Hmm. Hmm. Continue.
I am
Hmm.
I am just made out clay and my body is not as strong as yours.
Hmm.
If we stick together, the splashing wave can push us
Waves.
against each other.
Flashing waves.
Splashing waves can push us against each other.
Hmm.
Whether I hit you forcibly or you hit me, either ways. I
Either you
am
can
the
say it as either ways. Okay. Either.
yes, ma'am. Either ways, I am the one to break.
Hmm.
So, in order to keep myself safe and alive, I will have to avoid you for now. The brass pot
Uh,
understood.
Alam Naveen, continue.
Uh, ma'am, 1 minute.
Yeah, Suchitra.
The
You see the upward word. I am and again am coming.
Yeah,
How
yeah.
come?
I saw. I am.
Yeah.
I'm
So
just
it's by mistake or it's a
maybe,
correct word?
maybe, or I'm just made mistake. It would be like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Continue, Naveen.
shall I continue, ma'am?
Yeah.
The brass pot understood and let his friend drift to the safety first.
Mm-hmm.
Fortunately, they both reached
Fortunately.
the shore.
Fortunately.
For, for, fortunately,
Hmm.
they both reached the shore on their
Reached.
own, unhurt and safe.
Naveen, it's not
Reached.
reached. Reached.
Okay. Reached.
Yeah. What
And
you
the
are
shore.
saying is reached. Understood? What I'm saying, you understood.
Okay.
It is not reached. Reached.
Reached
Yeah.
the shore on their own, unhurt and safe.
Own. Own.
Own.
Yeah.
Own.
Yeah.
Remember, remember the strong and the weak cannot keep company.
Hmm. Done. Oh, sorry, Pawan. You can
Yes,
continue with the new story. Pawan.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
The eagle and the tortoise. Once
Yeah.
upon a time, an eagle moved to a tree near a pond. A tortoise lived in that pond. He
Pawan, when you
introduced
say A, you can pronounce it as a tortoise. A
yes,
tortoise.
yes, a
A
tortoise.
tortoise. Normal, a tortoise.
Yes,
Hmm.
a tortoise lived in that pond. He introduced himself to the eagle. The
Hmm.
eagle he
Eagle.
moved because he was chased away from the eagle.
Chased. Not chased.
Chased,
Chased.
chased
Yeah.
away from the place tree.
Palace.
Yeah, away from the
Away from the palace tree, not place tree. Palace tree.
palace tree where
Yeah.
he had built his nest.
Hmm.
One day, while looking at the eagle fly high up in the sky, the tortoise had a desire to fly in the air like the eagle. He thought about it for a while.
Hmm.
He approached the eagle
Hmm.
and said, "Il- I would like to fly like you, but I cannot. It
Hmm.
will be very kind for you if you can carry me in your claws and
Claws.
fly
Claws.
claws,
What
claws,
is the meaning of claws? You
claws,
can see eagles' nails, big nails.
uh,
It holds like this. That is
uh,
claws. Yeah.
claws, and fly around for a while so that
Hmm.
I can enjoy the view from above."
Yeah. Suchitra, continue.
Yeah. I'm always confined to the ground and it's very boring. Hearing this, the eagle replied, "What do I get in return for the favor?" The tortoise had not thought of rewarding the eagle, but did not want to let go of the opportunity either. He decided to trick the eagle. He said, "Well, listen, since you will be fulfilling my wish, I will show you a cave where precious gems are hidden."
Okay, 1 minute. Huh.
Continue.
Yeah.
By giving those gems to the king, you can please him and he will permit you to move back to the palace tree. He will give you luxuries and food every day. This sounded like a great idea to the eagle. He agreed and lifted the tortoise. As soon as they were in the air, the eagle asked the tortoise to show the cave.
Okay, Suchita, it's luxurious.
Luxurious.
Luxuries.
Yeah.
Luxuries.
Yeah, luxuries.
Yeah.
The tortoise could not help but tell the truth that there was no cave or gems and that it was a lie. He begged for pardon for lying.
See the word pardon.
Yeah.
Okay, Mahindra, continue.
The eagle was so furious that he dropped the tortoise to the ground and
Dropped.
flew away.
Dropped. No. Dropped.
Dropped the eagle
Dropped.
to the
No, no,
ground.
no, no, no. Dropped. You are saying dropped.
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 Yeah.
The cunning tortoise dropped
Hmm.
the tortoise to the ground and flew away. The cunning tortoise hit a hard rock and got hurt very badly. This is why you should not make a promise that you can't keep.
Yes. Yes. Done. Okay. We'll leave for the class today. There were nothing much. 1 minute. I'll teach 2 more verbs. I forgot to take that also. 1 minute. Huh? We done with the verb. We done with the verbs till, if I'm not wrong, acknowledged. Till acknowledged we have done, right?
Yeah. Acknowledge.
Yeah. So, yeah, today we'll learn 3 more. We'll learn about acquire, adapt, and add. Okay. Naveen, can you read the meaning of acquire?
Buy or obtain an asset or object for oneself.
Yeah. Okay. So, so past tense, present tense, and all, how it is? Acquire, acquired, acquired. Okay. So the sentence would be met, acquired many new friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And adapt. Adapt means we are getting suitable with some, we are adapting that, we're taking that into ourselves. Okay. Any habits or anything we can adapt. If we are shifting one place to another, we have to adapt that surrounding, right? We have to get into that surrounding itself. So we have to suit in that climate.
Yes, ma'am.
So the sentence is, he adapted himself to his new life. Yeah.
Yeah.
Add is very simple. We are just increasing the numbers. increasing the size or anything. I added a room to my house. That is very simple. I think that I need not have to explain more about it. Add to something else or as to increase the size, number or amount. I added a room to my house. Fine. Fine. You do want to take down, you can take down, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Once done, let me know. So Mahendra, what is hand-to-hand struggle? Hand struggle. What does that mean? You can say simply. Okay, don't worry. When
When we have no money, we will ask to someone.
does that? Did I tell that hand-to-hand struggle?
No.
What did I tell the meaning of hand-to-hand struggle? Did I tell about money? I think you did not take down the example I said.
No.
Ram had hand-to-hand
Yes.
struggle with Ravan. Take that out. Write it now.
Ram fought with Ravan.
Yeah, yeah. What is pondering?
Thinking, ma'am.
Yeah, good. What is scrimmage, Naveen? What is scrimmage?
Ma'am?
Scrimmage. What is scrimmage?
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
Why?
I joined little late. No, no.
I did not take. After joining, only I started taking about that scrimmage, hand-to-hand struggle. You know the meaning of hand-to-hand struggle.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, after that, I said about scrimmage. Hand-to-hand struggle and scrimmage means the same.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, madam, just wait.
Okay. Naveen, I want you to go back and start. I mean, you have to listen this recordings from starting, and I want to see the notes. Okay, what you have written down.
Okay, ma'am.
from starting.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, done, ma'am. Up to add,
Done?
na? Yeah, add.
Yeah. Acquire, adapt, add. Fine.
Yeah.
We'll leave for the day. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
Okay, yeah. Bye. See you.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, bye, bye. Yeah, bye.